Good morning, my little raindrops. It is the very first get ready with me in the new bathroom. How fun is this? Oh, I have so much space now. I can actually like put you next to me while I do my makeup and stuff. Today is Tuesday, May 9th. It's currently 7:37 a.m. and I'm just finishing up getting ready because my boyfriend and I are going to Ikea today to buy our missing pieces of furniture. We're gonna leave by 8 and then we have to drive to Halifax because that is where the nearest Ikea is, and so that's about a 2-hour drive. I already have everything on my phone ready to go, and then we're just gonna come back here and going to assemble our furniture. And I am hoping that I will finally get a call back from the Wi-Fi company today to finally schedule an appointment to have my Wi-Fi installed. I've been running into so many issues with the Wi-Fi installation just because the previous renters never closed their accounts. No, that's just like a whole situation. I spoke with them yesterday and they said we'll call you back tomorrow and we'll be able to schedule an appointment then. So fingers crossed that that actually happens. Because if it doesn't, I might start sobbing because I have 3 jobs this summer. All of them are online. And I mean, I know I could go work to cafes, but most of my work is on my desktop. I typically work a little bit later in the day, and all the cafes and stuff around here close relatively early. So I'm just really hoping I can finally have my Wi-Fi and just really settle into a routine quickly enough, because I'm tired of like being a little bit all over the place. I mean, it was fine for the first week after moving here, but it's now officially been a week and a day. And I just really want to get settled in and just be able to work comfortably. But anyways, hopefully I get a phone call today. That's why my phone is not on like buzzing. That's why I put the sound on, just because I don't want to miss their call. So, what are we getting at Ikea, you ask? I will tell you now because odds are I might forget to record once I'm actually at Ikea. But anyways, we're getting a couch for our living room. I'm getting a couch for my office / recording studio, if you want to call it like that. I also need 2 nightstands, night table lamps, what do you want to call those? I don't know. And we do need a couple new glasses. Ever since I bought this mascara, okay, I'm never going to use another mascara, ever. It actually keeps my lashes curled, and you guys know how much I struggle with keeping my lashes curled because first off, they're not very long, and they grow downwards. So even if I curl them, they would not stay curled. But when you use this one, this is the Lancome Idole Lash Waterproof. You want it to be waterproof. My brother lent us one of his trucks to go to Ikea because sadly we have way too much stuff to buy. It's not gonna fit in my Jeep. So he lent us one of his trucks. Now I've got no idea what to do with my hair today. I just know that I can't let it completely down because I'm gonna get too hot during the day. Oh, that looks kind of cute. Do I have, let me grab one of my hair clips. Big claw clip it is. Yeah, that looks a little better. My hair was getting a little too long. Parfum. Okay, all right, well, I think we're ready to go. stopped to grab some lunch. We bought everything we needed at Ikea. Now we're just gonna go to the gas station really quickly, and then we're gonna head back home. So that's another 2-hour drive. And then he's gonna start assembling stuff while I just look at him. I'll be his little helper, but yeah, you can see in the trunk there's a bunch of stuff. In the box there's a bunch of stuff there, and some stuff here. Very exciting. All right, I guess I will see you once we get home. So as we were getting on the highway to go back home, we realized that there are a bunch of rain clouds in the direction we're going. And so I checked the weather back at home, and there's quite a lot of rain falling. So instead of taking a risk and just like having all our boxes in the rain, we stopped at Canadian Tire. My boyfriend just went inside to go get a tarp. There's a car that just passed by. He went inside to go get a tarp, and he's gonna set all of that up, and then we're gonna go back home. Raindrops. I am currently editing the video you are watching right now, as you can see, and I realized that the outro I had recorded is somehow gone. So this is Desiree from 2 weeks in the future. The office is completed. I got an email. Okay, sorry. The office is completed. I got the other bookshelf. Me building this and organizing all the books, that's another episode in the moving series. I have my music corner all set up. Books here, the couch. This is kind of like my recording studio, I guess we could say. This is where I'll be recording most of my videos from now on. And then I obviously have my desk with everything nice and set up. And I can't believe that I live here. I genuinely have a hard time
still, it's been 2 weeks now. I still kind of just, I don't know, it feels like I'm gonna be leaving from this place in like a couple weeks, but I am here to stay for at least another year. I am so glad that I got to bring you guys along with me during this entire process. I am finally going to be falling back into my regular content type of routine. I'll put the phone there so I stop moving. I'm so excited to see like what kind of content that I come up with, but I'm so incredibly grateful. I hope you enjoyed the moving series, and like I said earlier, I cannot wait to make more content for you guys. I hope that this YouTube channel, Little Raindrops family, can keep growing as it has been over the past year. And with that, I shall get going because I really want to finish editing this video so that I can schedule it for Monday. But thank you so much for taking some time in your day to watch my content. It truly, truly means the world. And if you would like to join the Little Raindrops family, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to be notified whenever I post new content, which is typically every single Monday, make sure to have the little notification bell turned on. That way you get the notification. But otherwise, that will be it for me, and I will see you guys in the next one.